everybody, it's Giovanni from Options Trading Channel. Here we are at the market open. Well, I'm actually a minute late. And let's check it out what the market is doing. I believe my buddy Adam is in this trade. He should be doing well now. Let's give him a call. Let's see how he's doing.
Hey, you want me to send you a picture of my wiener?
I'm
in. My winning trade on the chart.
Yes, please send it over. Everybody, he was telling me his winner, not wiener. Just he has a weird accent. Everybody, I'm live, by the way.
Oh, of course you are. Well,
good job, dude. You stayed in it.
Yeah, no, it didn't hit. I just finally moved my stop up, thinking, this needs to move. I've 9:14. I've got 35 points to go. It's, not that clean. It keeps fucking getting sold down, and now we just took that liquidity, so I'm watching it close like a bug.
Wow, it hit the consequent encroachment of the of the 5-minute civvy. Take a look at it. Wow.
Okay, yeah. So I'm on the 1 hour. Of course, I don't know why I'm on that 1 hour.
885.50. 885.
Because it's not even a civvy.
Dude, that's crazy.
Shit.
It missed it by 25 cents. The consequent encroachment of the 5-minute civvy of the news candle, 23,885.50, and it hit 23,885.25.
Damn it!
Wow.
So I don't know where my profits should be taken. Obviously, I'm up, right?
Yeah.
But I'm only up like 750 a count. I don't know if I should go to break even here. I've got it at the low at 706. I mean, I'm thinking we're in a recovery here.
Yeah. Yeah, just hold off, man. You're hanging in. You're hanging in.
Go. Stop loss obviously is greatly improved. But I see it, dude. It went right there.
You see the CE of the 5-minute?
C.
C.
I see the CE. So I don't know, man. Come on, baby. Now it's running through it.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine, dude. We got a winner.
One thing, I want to be greedy, and I want to go for... Oh, shit. It's about to knock me out. I want to go for, yesterday's close, knowing what I know about yesterday's close.
What's the high? The high is 905. You're going for 914?
Oh, shit. 914. Yeah.
Yes. Come on.
Fucking close.
Go in there. Go. 9 points.
You know what? I'm out.
You're out. There. Perfect.
Because 914 doesn't need anything. Yeah. So, yeah, boom.
Dude, congratulations.
That was a good trade.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. How many points did you make?
Well,
don't give me that well.
I remember 833, and I got out at 900, so 67.
Wow, congratulations, dude. Nicely done using ICT concepts.
So I'm up 1,700 on the combine.
On the combine?
So there you go.
Do you mind sharing that screen? You don't have to show your face.
How do I do? Oh, I have to get in with you and all that?
Yeah, dude. Let's see here. We're about truth here. We're about showing the world that we're not just all fake and Lamborghinis here.
I prefer to be fake in a Lamborghini. Well, it's going to hit my target. Well, it's probably going to go go.
Of course.
All right. So I'm not too worried. Target's down a little. I'm kind of watching to see, as I know, that would have been a great time to put a spider leap on this morning.
Oh.
It would have been a really good time. I didn't realize. I was trying to look for it. There you are. Ruiz? All right. Ruiz.
Oh, did it hit your target? Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, it hit it.
Yeah.
Oof.
All right.
Everybody say hi to Edric. Everybody say hi to Edric. He's right there. Let's see. Oh, add to stream. There you are.
I gotta hang up on you.
Okay. Oh, hold on. I need to put my speaker on, so give me a second. Give me a second. I think I can hear you now. Yep, I hear you now.
All right, so let me see how I can do this.
We're about showing proof that we're real traders here, y'all. Like we're not just gonna do recaps. Okay, add scene. Yes, we are.
Can you see it?
Perfect. Look at that. Yes.
So
Look
right
at that.
here,
Boom.
I saw
Yes.
this happening. There's really no BISI, so I was looking at this order block area right here,
Yeah.
and I had my first order. I think I told, what did I say, 820 or 825, I think is where I was actually sitting. But I marketed in right there. I could have been
Okay.
patient and it got in. So that's an order
Yeah.
block right here.
Yeah. I see that. I see that.
And so the high of that gets hit here and supports
Cool.
price up.
Cool.
After this whole thing is running daily BISI,
Yep.
it's running to the 4-hour BISIs and
Yep.
1 hour. So this moved down, repriced,
There's
and hung
algorithm.
out until the open, right? And then the
Yep.
open started. Look at the entry right at the open.
I see that, dude. I see that. I
Right.
noticed that as soon as I call. In fact, I think I was live and I was like, "Oh, look at that entry!" And then I was like, "Well, I bet Adam is still in it." And that's when I decided to call you, dude. Perfect ICT algorithmic strategy here today. Setup.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So there you go.
Perfect. It just took longer. It took longer than expected. That's okay. Who cares?
Right. right, right, right.
The premise was there. I saw
Uh,
it. I texted you this morning. I was like, "Hey, trade to the long." I understand what's happening. It's awesome.
okay. So I bit down. I do want to share with you IPMCCs are some
Oh,
of these shorts are down almost 200%. When you look at the P&L on all 1, 2, 3, 4,
mm-hmm.
I am up. So I am at the moment protected with my short calls going in the money. My long call is stronger, and I'm actually up
Okay, that
on
makes. I
P&L.
get it. I get it. I get it. I need. So we're doing. Sorry, I don't mean to cut you off, but we're trying this bus thing with Edric, and he needs to be out there, and I need to be out there for the very first time here. And so I'll be back. It might take 5 minutes, man. So you can hang out. If not, you can get off, man. But I'll give you a call back, or I'll be back on live stream in 5 minutes.
Okay, yeah, you're just gonna cancel the stream, right?
No, I'm just gonna let it run. I'm just gonna let it run. There's no sense in cutting it and then bringing it back online. So I'm just gonna let it
Okay,
run. All
see you
right.
in a bit. Bye.
Yeah.
I was trying to look for the live stream on my phone.
much. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'll be right here. Thanks. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, I'm back.
All right, man. I am too. I just found at the end of you could well, you probably can't see, right?
No, you'll have
But at the end of the activities positions page, you know where all that's at the very end, it has portfolio digest. It automatically separates all the news that has anything to do with a position you have.
Oh, okay.
Fucking sweet, bro. So it tells you what the news is about, like with Target, and then all of these guys or XLE is in there. So kind of cool. So you just kind of monitor.
Let me bring
shit.
that up.
Anyway.
You said digest?
Well, at the end, it's already there. So at the very bottom where it has like account status, so okay to trade, at the very bottom, it'll holds all the news that's part of what I'm up to.
It has everything, dude.
So yeah, that's cool.
Cool.
Obviously down on the positions from yesterday today with the move down, but I mean,
but you're okay.
Still good.
Market is still not, I wouldn't say roaring, but still going up. Dude, what a great trade, dude. What a great trade.
Yeah, I mean, I could have held on for more, but I'm happy with that. That's 60, 70 point winner.
And then you had a 45-point winner on Tuesday.
Oh yeah, no, I'm again, going through awesome. Too bad the live stream didn't see that. Going through,
I get all kinds of views.
See, it's that way.
You know me. I'm. Oh wait, I don't see.
Fuck you, chat.
Wow. Fuck you, chat. I don't see it. Just kidding.
So I was thinking yesterday's close would have been a good target, and it's kind of showing that that's probably going to be a good place to reprice to. But hey, all good, man. All good.
That's 100 points from your entry right now.
Yeah, buddy.
Good job. Good job.
Also, keep in mind there's no fucking entry, really, to the 1 minute until, well, for instance, right after I got in, there was a BISI that lost.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
See that?
I see it.
So 650 creates a BISI, and I'm already in, so I don't have my stop loss right there. I have it at the lows.
So I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to look at. There's that God, but these BISIs are terrible, man. The very first BISI, that's a tiny one, the one that you were trying to get in on.
And I don't even know if it's really a fucking in MNQ. It's not. Order block was the only thing I was really going for there, and the idea of retracing back to it. But I was getting FOMO as it was moving up. I was like, "Fuck!"
Yeah. No,
and then I want you to notice it fills in all those 1 minute SIBIs perfectly before it comes back down.
1 minute SIBIs
at 7:45. That little green high actually it stops, giving you the idea that oh shit, it's going to go down.
Oh, in fact, while it was happening, I was telling myself, "Wow, it is closing off that SIBI. I'm confused now."
Yeah, but remember, that's 1 minute bullshit.
That's a 1 minute, yes, 1 minute bullshit. That's what we're going to say. And it just went through a previous day close.
Yep. No, it's recovering nicely, bro.
Again,
fucking hell.
It's just, I have a one loyal fan that watches the stream. One.
Hi, loyal fan. Welcome.
And for that loyal fan, I'm going to say this every goddamn day, not just for anybody
Giovanni's
watching.
gonna send his underwear to you, man. So
Yes, absolutely.
for
Actually,
free,
that would.
for free. So you're
I'm gonna
lucky.
scare him away with that. Actually, so probably not. Um,
You're probably a
higher
Boston
time frame.
Breeze kind of guy, aren't you?
Oh, definitely a higher. Yeah, absolutely, dude. I don't do what briefs. You wear whitey tighties.
Bag.
Bag.
I do. I wear nothing. I know you didn't ask, but I wear nothing.
Wow, dude. Again, live stream, live stream.
It's okay.
um,
Go ahead.
what was I
Interruption.
saying? You got me all flustered here and blushing. Higher time frames. Higher time frame thesis always get off of the 1 minute, 5 minute, even 15 minute. I don't like those anymore. I would have never, if you would have told me this just what 6 months ago, that I would not even like the 15 minute and I would love the 1 hour, 4 hour. I would have been you're crazy.
Yeah.
Love the 1 hour, 4 hour daily. It's incredible. Look what's happening just right now. Daily chart, perfect entry to the daily Bissy, and it closed it off. Not perfectly, but when you look at it, it's damn close. It went a little bit below it. The 4 hour, same deal. And it's wicking it. And then the 1 hour,
Wicked, wicked.
not looking that great, but there you go. Beautiful trade.
Oh, my God.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
All righty. Well, I mean, shit. That was kind of. I think that was it for the day for me. I
Yeah,
mean,
I'm not interested in trading.
I do want you to see that there's also at 6:40 a 5 minute Bissy. That could have been played. You would have had
Yes,
to
I saw it.
express.
Um, I. It's funny that you mention it because we're like bros here. We're what is it, bromancing something? Because fuck, dude, I saw that. I'm like, man, that's fine. It's a 5 minute busy. We're in it. It's kind of just going back and forth, but stick with the 5 minute busy. I almost bought right there at right before the open because we were still trading inside that 5 minute busy.
Right. Yeah,
I'm excited, dude.
I mean, just look at the 1 hour over the last week or so. I mean, that's fucking order flow right there, man. Zoom out.
1 hour?
Zoom out.
Yeah. I sees it. Okay.
Yeah, right there. See that low?
Yep.
And it's just
That low.
order flowing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yep,
So
I see it. I see it. Look at that right there, right there. It's doing it
that's how you
now.
play the markets. You wait for those
Uh-huh.
pullbacks. No, so just hover over your lows.
Mm-hmm.
One's at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
One's at noon. The other is at the end of the day on Monday, and now this one is in the morning, but it's at 6:30.
I see
So
it.
these don't occur at fucking 8 o'clock every day. That's the
No.
most confusing part of the ICT journey that I got was, I got an 8 o'clock our time, so 10 o'clock Eastern.
And then one other thing, I don't mean to butt in here, but along with that idea of time, so because of that, we were trying to anchor what it did, in the middle of the night, midnight, for instance, and because of what it did in midnight, middle of the night, whatever. So we would anchor that idea into the morning session, New York AM session, and it wouldn't work. We didn't understand why it wouldn't work. Um, it went into a 4 hour busy, and now it's going to go up. And that happened at midnight. It doesn't work that way. It has to in the now. Is that the right way of explaining that? Whatever price is doing now, That's the most important part.
Well, in other words, when you're looking to trade it, yeah, it needs these things need to occur while you're ready to trade. If you want to
Yeah.
trade it at 4 a.m, fine.
Yes.
Best way to do this is put alerts on the charts on these point of interests,
Yes.
and just be, always be kind of ready to engage. Obviously, I'm not going to do it at 4 a.m. But
No.
what is that? That is right after London session closes, and
Yep.
then it runs London, enters in efficiency, and goes. That concept works. So
Yeah.
you just wait until you see the shit happening right in front of your eyes on these higher time frames. So end of story. Booms made I don't know, it was like $3,000 this morning.
Dude, congratulations, dude. Badass, dude.
On just 2 accounts. $3,000 on just 2 accounts.
Oh my gosh, dude. 2 accounts. Imagine you're 20 now.
Yeah, right. But I will tell you, I was being a poo nanny and trading like 1 micro, maybe 2, and I'm done with that.
Yeah.
I'm trading 10 micros on that 50.
10 micros. Wow. Okay. Hey, my son is watching the live stream while he's on the bus.
Where's the other viewer? I don't see him on the screen I'm on.
I see. So the screen that I'm on at the top left corner says 1, and then it has the I symbols, meaning one person is watching. But now probably it's just my son watching now.
He left us.
Yeah, he left us.
Oh, fuck him anyway. He wouldn't bring anything to the table. No one cares if he's there.
Yeah.
You suck a dick. All right, HD. Sorry, I probably shouldn't say it. Your son's on there.
It's all good.
I mean, this isn't a filtered show.
Nope.
So. Shit, Lululemon, man. I guess I've told you before, I love Lululemons for more than one reason. And
Absolutely.
I'd love to be in that company, but the chart looks like dick shit.
It's down. It is down, 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 down.
Way under its 100-day moving average. Just down. I don't know what's happening. So I've got it in my watch list, but I just probably shouldn't because that's not good. Target, however, Target's down, but fuck, it's Target, right? I mean,
it's Target.
You think Target's going anywhere? No. Think we're gonna lose Target? I don't think so.
No. I'm a broken record with this, man, but
you're excited?
I'm excited, dude. I really, really am. But you got to understand also, beating a goddamn horse here, but it helps me in my everyday life, really. The fact that I texted you this morning and knew that it was long, that means a lot to me. And the fact that you already had orders ready to go, again, it solidifies in my mind that we made it, and all we have left to do is just grind it out.
Well, we changed our strategy, and we changed it to, instead of that whole, like I just said, that time frame, it happens after 8, stupid fucking macros and all that. Mm-hmm. We would watch for a long time. We would watch these things occur, but it's not our time frame, so don't trade it, right?
Yeah.
And that is the biggest positive, biggest leap we've made with ICT in a long time, with just saying, fuck, it has nothing to do with that. 8 does not mean that this BISI is going to work.
Exactly.
Okay. And then when we look back, when it actually did something on the higher time frames, the entry is way down there.
Yeah.
And we're playing the shit fucking late because we were forcing ourselves to wait.
Yep.
8 is not magical in any way. I
I
get
want-
that New York AM session opens and brings volume to NASDAQ and S&P 500. That's the only thing you can take away from that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it still can fucking move overnight. So it doesn't mean anything. Watch the
Yeah.
time frames. That has nothing to do with anything. You know, you will see on a lot of occasions that these targets or point of interest are hit during the New York sessions,
Yeah.
but 8 o'clock.
Yeah. That's a fallacy, man. It's an absolute fallacy. And I talk about what I shouldn't be doing. I sit and think, why the hell did Michael go about teaching what he's teaching the way that he did it? There was no need for that. You think of it, I can now teach this, um, I think, in a much better structure way.
A lot of people feel that way. I think I don't know why Michael does that. He gets down into, and then we start looking at all these things, these turtle soups and this unicorns and these order blocks, and
Yeah.
I think that's where it really got fucked up in my head.
They
Everything
might,
was he spends very little time. He'll run through the higher time frame, and then boom, we go into all this complicated entry.
yeah. Yeah, he'll go into rants. I get the rants. I do it. It seems like every 2 minutes even with you, so I get it. But Jesus, dude, yeah, going through all of those complicated concepts and ideas, it just
What it
unnecessary.
did, what it did to me, it made me believe that the secret sauce is in the 1 minute.
Yeah,
It made me believe that all the cool things that happen are right there in the 1 minute,
yeah,
and it draws you in, and then you start getting an opinion based off the 1 minute, and that no. Right now, I do not have a 1 minute up on my charts.
Wow. As I show my live streamers, the 1 minute.
Yeah, fuck that. Have the 15 at minimum. Maybe
let's do that.
5.
Let's do that, right? Let's just keep on the screen a 15-minute chart just because. And even, dude, I don't even look at the 15-minute chart at all, really. I don't really look at it.
5 and 15
Uh-huh.
to be aware of things.
Okay, fair enough.
Right, that's it. That's all you're
Fair
doing.
enough. My PD arrays, my POIs are solely daily, 4 hour, 1 hour.
Yeah.
And then once it goes into those POIs, I automatically go to the 1 minute. And that's probably not what you do. You probably just stay there until you start what? What engages you into the market?
Oh no, I'll go to the 1 minute as soon as, like
Okay.
this morning when 6:30 was running down. I had
Okay.
the 5 minute in front of me, but on Trade of 8, I had the 1 minute. But I'm not watching the 1 minute for a clue of direction. I'm actually just looking for displacement at that point.
Ooh, that's a good one. Write that one down. You go down to the 1 minute and you start looking for displacement, and that's a great way of describing of what I look for. Absolutely. I understand very well
I'm
what
sharing
an
some of
inward.
it with you.
Oh, let's see.
You see it?
Say it again.
Do you see my screen?
No, I do not see your screen.
I'm just trying to share it with you. It says
Oh,
I'm
okay.
sharing.
Add to screen. I had to click on it. And so I need to do this, hide, and remove. Perfect. Okay, I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I see. So look at this 4 hour delivery and look
Okay.
at the 1 hour. Look at these big inefficiencies. Boom, goes up, boom, goes up, bam, goes up,
Wow.
bam.
Are
That's where.
you marking those BISCs out, or do you have an indicator there?
No, that's all. I marked those out.
You marked those out. That's beautiful. Wow.
I added these bottom ones used to be there, and I delete kind of as we go and we get too far away.
Yeah.
But for the purpose of this video at the moment, I'm
Yeah.
showing you what I'm looking for. Bam.
Oh, that's awesome, man.
And so
That's awesome.
you rarely get that on the 1 minute. That's just how you understand direction and market flow.
Yeah, because right there where you have your cursor, your mouse, go to the left. More right there, right there. That action right there on a 1 minute, forget about it.
Sure. Yeah. Well, so this isn't a trade. Well, there's a 1 hour busy entry right there. I don't know, at 9 o'clock if you see it.
I see it. I see it. Yeah.
And then it does go up, right?
Mhm.
But it's this, and then coming back down. This is at the end of the day, right here. Here's
Interesting.
all overnight move, right there,
Uh-huh.
and then there's the open, bam.
Oof.
Now this,
And
if
then,
you recall this went up, and then came down, and that right there
mhm.
is a 1 hour.
That's that's what I was talking to you
Yeah.
about. Yeah.
Yeah, and it went down, and then bam,
Mhm.
big move.
But you actually traded to the downside on that day.
Well, see the liquidity
Right
sweep
there.
right here?
Yep. Yeah. I'm good with that. I'm very good with that.
And I traded down to somewhere in here, probably the midway of all
But
that.
that was also news. We had
Mhm.
CPI.
Yeah, that
And
was okay. I'm gonna stop sharing. Yeah,
exactly. And so the night, wow.
wow, that was too much, Giovanni.
Yeah, way too much. Give me a second. You can see my nose hairs, dude. Jesus.
Wow.
Share. You gotta warn me next time.
Sorry, I didn't realize it was gonna do that.
No worries. Share. Hide.
Damn, most ETFs are pretty well. They're flat, but 0.5%, 1% down, pushed down. I bet, man, my Bitcoin got hit. It was up a little bit, and I'm running the IPMCC trade on Bitcoin.
On Bitcoin.
Um,
There we go. Perfect. Bitcoin. I so
bet
does that
ETF.
does that mean you believe in Bitcoin? I mean, you're investing in it.
No, I'm diversifying all throughout. It doesn't mean I believe in any sector more than another, but I wanted to be in some of that. I'm in the Russell. I'm in semiconductors and now oil. And then, of course, my spider plays, and then I have a pretty diversified wheel group. And they're clocking off, man. I've had 3 go off. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them already over 70% profit.
Oh, geez, nice.
So they're getting
And what
close to coming off.
and what you don't put one on as soon as you exit a short.
No, I'm waiting for a pullback. Now, what's kind of sucks is one of the opportunities was before the market opened this morning,
Yeah.
So I'm watching my top value list, and like Lulu is 3% down, Target's 2% down, Delta Airlines is 1.5%. So these are decent pullbacks, but not enough, honestly.
Lulu, man.
I'm probably going to delete Lulu because
Yeah.
fucking Lulu's not doing great, even though I'm pretty sure they're going to keep selling tights.
Lulu.
Lulu.
I think that is a failing business. Look at me talking like I would ever know. The problem there is that yes, at some point, that's all there was on the market. They're definitely a trendsetter. But I don't think that, I just think that market is way diluted and I don't know, man. I'm talking like as if I ever know anything about investing long term, but Lulu, they look great. Let me tell you.
So Amazon, as you could probably see in the very back, you see all the colorful shit on the screen
Yes.
way
Yeah,
up on the wall.
yeah, I see
Yeah,
it.
that's it. That big green block is Amazon.
That's Amazon. Did they come out with earnings?
I don't know,
Amazon.
but that they're holding. You got Amazon, Wells Fargo, and Schwab,
Amazon. They had
Broadcom.
earnings. They had earnings. What am I looking at? I'm looking at the weekly. Never mind.
Well, most people are pretty red, as you can see on the heat map, and we
Yeah.
have a few that are actually being bought into on this little pop up.
See that?
So I don't know. I'm gonna maybe add today, but I might just be patient. I'm plenty good. So if I go to my Excel sheet, right at this moment on the cash sweep vehicle that I have, I'm invested right now 65% ROI annualized ROI.
65%
Yep.
annualized. Wow.
So I have no reason to push much more. I'm in a good place. I just need to be patient, let these play out.
65%,
That's where I'm
dude.
at right now. Yeah.
That dude.
Right.
Um,
I mean, I don't want to, because I have plenty of buying power left. It's kind of, what am I trying to say?
it's funny. There's a, spider web right in front of the camera that I can see. Where's the spider? Okay, my bad. Weird
Ooh.
things happen to me on a
So,
daily basis.
so anyway, yeah, man. So there's no reason to push it. I'm doing fine. This thing that watching that percent when one comes off or I add one, that thing completely changes. And then as my cash sweep vehicle goes up because of realized gains,
Mm-hmm.
that percent changes.
Yeah,
And all I
yeah.
got to do is keep it at a level between
I see.
30 and maybe where I'm at now. So as it begins to drop, then I'll look to add positions. But
That's
I'm
a
probably in.
good way of looking at it, man. That way, well, okay. Right here, I'm curious to know 65 annualized returns. Give me a percentage in terms of how liquid you are.
Well, 50%.
You're 50% liquid?
I have over 50% of buying power still available to do things,
Oh
but
my God, dude. That
and
is.
that's what I meant. That can confuse you and draw you in to take too much risk. Because my margin account, for all the reasons, right, with oil or ES or even Spider, all of them, it makes you feel like you need to use that buying power up, but hell no. I'm already well over exposed.
Dean,
Like I'm
the
good.
we talk about this. I'm this way. You're different. I love the fact that you're 50% liquid. That
Yeah.
is that is. I told you that's my biggest problem with that strategy. I don't have enough cash to be able to do that. And my idea was if you can be 50% liquid and have those kind of returns, dude, that is awesome.
Well, I will tell you, when you say cash covered, my cash covered is 123,000.
Oh,
Um,
that's
my
crazy.
cash sweep is 113,000 in this account. So no, I'm pretty much even across the board
It's
on that.
are you taking into account that margin?
Yeah, I'm taking into account when I say what liquid I can still use
Mhm.
up another half of that, 50% of that. I'm
Yeah.
just not doing
Okay.
it, right?
Okay.
So that I'm available there. I'm not assigned on anything, and nothing's in the money. Not all of them will go in the money. The way I've done this, right? I'm diversified along 25 still right now, 25 different stocks
Dang, you have 25 stocks?
across almost all sectors. I am in almost every sector other than real estate.
I don't think are there
So
a
that's
lot
10
of
sectors. Yeah.
are there ever sorry, any good stocks in the real estate sector?
I don't know. No, real estate is tiny. It's right here at the bottom. You probably can't see. Yeah, you can see my little moving around. We're
Yeah.
all red today. I don't know who these people are.
Mhm.
Well Tower. I've never seen great options on them.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do this. Boom! I
Yeah,
see.
they're down here. Anybody can pull a heat map up,
Yeah.
and I could
Yeah.
probably share this screen with you. But
It's okay. It's
it's
okay.
a small sector. American Tower, Well Tower. I don't know these people. This is a big one, Prologix. But anyway, I haven't found good options in it, so I'm not
Yeah.
really interested in.
Amazon, Tesla. Tesla's down. What is the WFC? What is that? Wells Fargo? No.
That's Wells Fargo. Yeah, it's Amazon, Netflix, Wells Fargo, Schwab, Oracle, whatever the fuck this is, Broadcom. There are big players right now. GE's
Yeah.
up, Costco a little bit.
GE has always been big. Visa. What are the options look like in Visa?
Mesa?
Visa, VISA, Visa card, credit
Oh,
card,
fuck, I
Visa,
don't know. Never heard of it. What's Visa? Like you're talking
Visa,
about
the
the
credit
credit
card
card?
company. Visa, yeah.
The way you're saying it, I feel like it was a foreign word. I don't know. Okay.
What is it? Visa? Do you want me to say it? Visa?
I don't know. What the fuck?
Visa.
Visa. What is this, Italian? Okay, I don't know, man. I haven't
Have you
seen
taken
credit
a look
cards
at it?
would be what, discretionary?
I have no idea. Consumer
Or
or
is
some
that
sort?
still finance? It's probably finance.
That's finance. Market is
Fuck, I
going
don't
up
know,
here.
bro. I have no idea.
That's damn, dude.
So
Interesting
anyway,
enough, the
yeah.
market has traded sideways around previous day close, by the way, which is
Yeah, I
just
love to watch that. It is a thing, bro. I mean, there's a reason why TradingView makes it a option.
a option. Yeah,
Yeah, it's a big thing to always watch after.
yeah.
No, everything was brilliant this morning. At this point, I don't care until tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be mixed. Yeah, we have 8 o'clock inflation and consumer sentiment expectation shit. Core retail sales at 6:30.
Mm-hmm.
So, tomorrow you could trade 6:30. Just know going into the 8 o'clock, it's probably best not to have a trade on.
Yeah. Boy, I got lucky in that one trade when we had 8 o'clock news. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
I was in a trade and it almost got me out.
Yes, sir. So yeah, as much as I want to put one on because I've actually taken 3 have been taken off for me. I don't need to. I'm at 65%. I don't need to push it. And I think I'll be honest. One of the big things I didn't watch that before when I was new to the options. I started doing strangles and a lot of naked calls and puts, and I probably didn't realize how far I'd pushed everything and what the annualized return really was. It was probably 200%. You know what I mean? I was really pushing and using everything I could. So I was taking my buying power all the way down.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know any better. I didn't realize, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And
That's
that was getting me in
incredible.
trouble.
Yeah, with any new strategy,
I was a new
you
trader.
just yeah. There's on the surface, it's always you just you see all the reasons to trade it, and then you get into it, and then you start to realize, oh, I shouldn't be doing this way.
Selling premium is addicting, right?
Yeah, yeah,
And
because it's
so,
easy money.
yeah, it's so when you get one and you get it on, you're like, and you sit back and you feel good. You're like, sweet, cool. Ooh, I want to do that again.
Mm-hmm.
And that was what drew me in the early years. And it would work out great. I'd be up 50% mid-year.
Well,
But
what's the statistic? Statistically, you win 95% of the
yeah, you're
shorts.
probably 95% maybe,
And
or 90%. And
yeah, that 10% or 5%, whatever it is, it screws you. It takes all your profits and then some.
yeah,
We've
it can
done it.
wipe you out.
Yeah,
Um,
we've been there.
in the moves, that still occurs. But when you're not as exposed, it doesn't really, you're not as exposed and you're not as diversified. It doesn't really affect you as much, and it keeps you in the game and you just keep going. What I would do is I'd be over leveraged. It would come and hurt me, and then I would move strategies. I would then find something else to do.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
that doesn't need to be occurring. We need to stop that. Of course, then
Bouncing.
not having any understanding of higher time frame order flow and where the market's going. I always
You
thought it
just
was completely random.
you can't you can't fault. Oh, what do I want to say here? I want to say some motivating Chinese fortune cookie bullshit here, but you don't know, man. You don't know going into any strategy what you're getting yourself into. And you and I know that 95% of shit out there in the stock market about the stock market and education and strategies and whatnot, they're all just bullshit. They're giving you the cherry on top and showing you how delicious it could be, but everything else, like they don't show. And so that's I don't know if I'm getting my point across.
Well, what I've learned is a lot of them could work. And this goes to a saying I heard long ago. It's like the best strategy in the world with no patience and control over your emotions, you'll lose money.
Do
Absolute
I
best
really
strategy.
do I really believe that though?
I do. I do. Oh, we know. I've blown funded accounts with the best ideas and strategies out there.
mm,
But I'm emotional and I get, you know, I hang on to losers. I'm cutting my winners short. I'm getting into trades I shouldn't. Okay, so that was all me. And then you could take one of the worst strategies, but someone with patience can actually make that, persistence, patience can make that a good strategy. So it's not, there's a lot of ways to do this. It's the person.
I'm going to go up to bat for you because you're too hard on yourself. you, yes, you blew funded accounts. Yes, it's difficult. The emotional side is
Yeah, it's
really.
mainly because of that,
I get
honestly.
it. I
Yeah.
get it. But tell me that even then, even a week, even last month, you really understood. You knew probably, and you've been telling me, but do you really understand what we were really doing? And that answer is no. I don't care how you
Um,
say it. You
no,
had
we
an
did
idea.
understand. We were just waiting for the wrong time. Anyway, I
Yeah.
do believe that. I do believe that there's are things you could do if you were just persistent.
Hmm.
I think it's about the person.
And I don't really believe
You
for
could have done
a
better.
moment, for a little moment, a little period of time, I do believe that a bad trader uh, can.
Can fuck up a good strategy. Yeah.
Yes, but also vice versa. A terrible strategy with a good trader will be profitable, but it's still a bad strategy.
No, I'm
in
not saying
over.
it's not, man. I just the big culprit's a person,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
And I think learning who you are and how you like to trade is a big one.
That's a big one. Yeah, I
You have to
believe
be
that.
honest with yourself. And that's kind of what I did with this day trading thing. It's like, fuck, I hate
Yeah.
this. I don't
Yep.
like it. And I think a lot of it, the reason why I didn't like it is because I was forced to wait to our 8 o'clock, which drove me nuts. And then I would lose, which was just, then it was infuriating, which is great because it's led me into an investor. But I'm still day trading. And now that I've taken all the heat off of it, I've only won. You know what I mean? Really only come out green every day.
I really want to say that I know we've talked about this and we talk about it
Yeah.
every day and I bring it up every goddamn day.
John.
You have helped me, and it's weird. It's one of those things where I don't understand what you're telling me. I see it and I can read it and I hear you, but I don't really understand what you're saying. I get higher time frames. But what the fuck with higher time frames? And then it's not until like you put on like it's a switch that just flips that you begin to see it. And you have been beating it in my head for a long time. And every goddamn day, I'm like, I don't know, bro. I'm hearing you. I'm here with you. Sure, but okay, let's just do it. And then it wasn't until like I actually understood and saw it for myself that I understood. It's
Right.
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I've taken
well,
very few losses. Very, 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 very few losses.
hey,
In fact,
I tried to
we
call Robert. I was wondering
okay.
wonder how he's doing.
Call him,
I'm
man.
gonna try him again. He's annoying. He's ignoring me now.
He's like, man, fuck this guy.
Yeah, I think
Yep,
after. Oh damn, he just took me straight to voicemail. Shit. I should text him. I guess we're not cousins anymore, huh?
he's probably watching the live stream.
Yeah, he's our only guy.
Yeah, he's our only guy.
I guess he's probably at work in a meeting or something.
Absolutely. I have his number too. Shit, I'll try to reach out to him too.
I hope he didn't quit.
No, I really don't. I hope he didn't quit. I hope that he'll, if he did, give it another shot with these lenses, man. Higher time frames.
Right. Yeah, I think too. We used to think that we would never make a trade because we were watching a 4 hour. You know, we're like, oh god, was it going to come twice a month, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And that really kept us from exploring it more. And it's just not true. I mean, we've had 2 great opportunities and probably one missed already this week, based on.
I traded Monday. You didn't. You're busy. You traded Tuesday. Yesterday, what was the trade yesterday? It was. Oh, we were making fun of me.
Short.
I have a crush on Tyler Trades, and
I'll be right back, man.
Yeah, the trade was to the short side. It was to a PD array. That's what it was.
Yeah, to see if if her nest is in groups, and she asked what percentage she thinks, she's about 80% her state.
Oh yeah.
And then I asked if she was gonna have to be on that steroid forever, and she's like, I think so.
We'll start weaning off if it comes back.
Oh, is that what it is?
That's
Yeah, is that what she's doing? Steroid.
You're on the same guy as me. Hummingbird food. Okay, man, I'm back. I finally taken the morning high out, and this could be the
Are you talking to me?
The release, no.
Sure. Sorry, I was taking care of work stuff. Speaking of that, man, I'm feeling the pressure of work.
Well, I'm not going to day trade. I feel like I keep looking for opportunities out there. John Deere's down 7% after earnings. I guess they fell off, but it's a great company. So maybe
7%. That's a big move.
it's an expensive booger too, man. 476
What's the ticker symbol?
DE.
476.
Yeah, it's pretty high, but I mean, it's a great company. Maybe this thing can get kind of back down. If I were to measure the median move from the low to the high, might put us somewhere around the 430 level. That could be a good place to be an owner of John Deere.
Oh, just because I love doing this. Back in 2008, right before the meltdown, it was trading around the $100 range, and it went down to mid to low 20s.
Yeah,
And
these
then,
single stocks, you can't look at it like S&P 500. I mean, a 50 to
oh,
80% decline is possible.
yeah, yeah,
You know,
yeah. I
again
mean,
though,
that's
was
wild.
that not a great buying opportunity?
That was incredible, dude. In
Yeah.
2008, dude,
I
that's
have there's a builder up here, you might know him, that I think his wife had money or something had happened. He just had some money. In 2008, check out LVS.
LVS.
Yeah.
LVS. Las Vegas. What is it? Las Vegas Sands Corp. Okay.
Yeah.
I got the weekly chart on.
So in 2008, you see what happened. You remember
Yeah.
Vegas,
Oh, yeah. Crash down.
big time, right?
$3.69 area.
He
Jesus.
bought a shit ton of it.
God.
So it turned into millions.
Dude, trading at $2, dude. That's a pretty much a penny stock. It went from 100 and pretty much 150 to $2.
Yeah, remember Vegas was in bad shape. Like the housing markets, everybody was foreclosing. It was
Yeah,
bad.
yeah.
Yeah, he bought a crap ton of it down there. I think like 300 shares or something.
300 shares. Well, shit, that's not much. Ah, I clicked the wrong thing. So let's just say for shits and gigs, 300 times what? Let's just say average $5.
Well,
Yeah,
yeah, you
1,500.
can probably do it in the Analyze tab pretty easy.
That's amazing.
I mean, if you really want to see it, put in 300 shares at $5. Okay, maybe it was more than that.
It was probably
It was
it was
3,000
probably 300. It was probably 300,000 shares, my dude. Is that at $2 a share? Yeah.
or 30,000. I don't remember, man, but it turned into a million pretty quick.
Jesus. What contractor is it? Do you know?
What?
What contractor was or builder?
Phil Mathis.
I know him. I bowl with him.
Okay.
I bowl with him. I
Yeah.
call him Dr. Phil.
So yeah, that was a neat deal. My point being of the whole story is not to throw him out there, but to just kind of say, hey, these big pullbacks like this can be great opportunities with good companies.
With good companies, absolutely. With good companies. What's interesting about this, however, is Las Vegas Sands Corp. It hasn't gone anywhere since the recovery. which that could be a good thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it means it's probably a decent price for it. I watch LVS down 0.7% today.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Oracle, Wells Fargo, Amazon, GE, Microsoft, and AT&T. All the big
Yeah.
ups today, right now.
Big
Yeah, man.
ups.
Oh, I'll take the rest of the day off, bro. Now I
What a
gotta go
great
to work.
trade, dude. I can't say that enough, man. What a great trade.
The odds would
Uh,
still be in it if I had felt like it had more to go. I don't know, low hanging fruit.
and that's fine, dude. One good trade a day. Hell, dude. At this point, sure, this is a little slow, but one great trade a week with this is
I think
enough.
you can definitely count on 1 to 2 a week.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. In fact, I've missed out on so many trades. The 6:30 trade seems to be working fabulously. We've been seeing the trades. It's not a mystery. This is fabulous. I'm loving the position that we're in right now.
What about your boy Tyler?
I just looked him up because you said that. Well, you think I have a crush on him. I think you're jealous. That's
Mm-hmm.
how I'm taking it. He's
I
not
know
online today.
he's not.
He's not. He's not. Maybe he was and then just cut it. Let's see. No live stream for him today.
Okay,
Okay, wait. This is got to fumble
that's all
back.
good. Well, I have to remember today. I will. In fact, this is going to be kind of the big pain in the ass, but for $400 a day, I can deal with it. I
What?
have to move my oil forward. Now, keep this in mind. I was thinking it was going to get real complicated, but it's not. If I have to buy out of my short call
Mm-hmm.
at any point to avoid assignment, then that amount that I pay goes in the column of a loss, no
Yes.
matter what. So whatever it is I pay there, I'm going to be counting that amount to try to watch this. I will also always count the extrinsic I sell it for because it's there.
Oh yeah, because there's always going to be until it expires. There's always going to be extrinsic.
It's always there.
Yeah.
So in other words, if you're not in a loss, that means you never had to buy it back.
Correct.
So anytime I got to buy it back, that amount, whatever it is, right now it's in the money, it's down, its mark is 64 cents, right? Keep in mind that my extrinsic was 40 cents.
Your
If I
extrinsic was
hadn't
40 cents. Oh, I see.
collected that 40 cents, this would actually be at $1.04.
Yep. Yes, sir.
But
I
I've
get it.
collected the 40 cents. So if I were to buy it back right now for 63 cents, that's a 63-cent loss.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Right. So
Yeah.
I am guaranteed the 40 and the 400 a day. These losses will add up. Keep in mind, however, I'm up on my long. So my account is flat.
It's interesting to know that you can very much it can go up on you just a tad bit and you can actually make a little bit on that short. It can go
Right.
up, you can get in, it's going to get in the money because you're selling at the money, right?
Yeah. It could get in the money, but
That's what we're talking about. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what we're talking about in extrinsic. So
It's
go ahead.
it's the delta. First off,
Yeah.
I get to reset my delta every day.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So, for instance, you're selling it at 50 cents. and there's extrinsic value of 5 cents.
No, 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 no.
Go ahead.
I'm selling it for the full amount. If the extrinsic's 50, I'm getting 50.
Yes.
Yes.
However, what I'm saying is it can actually go up because of extrinsic. It can actually go up, and you can actually win on that short.
Well, yeah. So if you collect 50 cents and it only goes up 40, yes, you've paid for it. Sure, but
And
you still count whatever you pay to get out of it as a loss. You don't.
you put it into the loss column.
Yeah, it'll all that full amount's in the loss, and then I have a full amount of extrinsic.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
this is a long-term game, so you just go back and forth. Some days will
So
be
you probably have an Excel spreadsheet already set up, right?
yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So I will mark down all those losses. I'll mark down all the extrinsic, and it's going to pile up at the end.
Mhm.
And then all that will balance against what the long is still worth. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That long is going to hold value. To tell you, like the long is a negative $10 theta. When my short yesterday was a positive
It's positive.
130 something dollars.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter. If it goes up, you're gonna make money.
Yeah. So anyway, there you go.
Okay.
So I just have to be ready today at noon to look at where I'm at and roll forward.
Let's look at Spider real quick before you leave. Let me log into Thinkorswim real quick.
This morning would have been a great time to put on a fucking leap.
Yeah. Oh no, I know.
Because I do
We're
the
busy.
spider leaps as well. And I need to spread them out every 2 weeks. But I did open Spider to look at doing it, and then I just didn't do it. But anyway. So you want to go to June 30th, 2026. It's 320 days out. You would look at around the 80 delta.
Give me a second. 320 days out.
Yeah, so like the 569s, which is 5,690.
Oh, I don't have Delta on here. I need to change this up. Customize column. Oh gosh, Delta. Anything else? What else do you have in there?
Extrinsic.
Extrinsic. Okay. Anything else?
That's it. I do mark on there, but I do that mainly because when I research after hours.
Okay. Mark. Save as. Save. Delta extrinsic mark. Okay. I'm 320 days out. And what delta are you looking at?
80. Between the 70 and 90 delta is where you're looking, and I'm at the 80.
Oh, shoot. What am I doing? Here we are, 80s. And how are you building these?
We don't really build anything. We're not going to analyze it.
Okay.
So you're going to, I'm choosing the 569s. Pull up the buy.
Okay, pull up the buy.
Okay.
Okay.
So now close that down and go to tomorrow's expiration and go to the money.
Go to tomorrow's expiration, go in the money. Okay.
Well, at the money.
Scroll. Okay. And we're going to
look at extrinsic.
Extrinsic. Here we are.
$2.
$2. Yeah, $1.82.
So that's where you, no. You go to the $2, which looks like it's the 645s. You go to the highest extrinsic. You see where it falls off either direction, right? That's the peak.
Yeah, 645s. Yeah, 645s.
Yeah, so it's right at $2. So that's what you would sell.
You do a call Call positive, put negative. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Oh gosh, let's see. Confirm
It's
and send.
expensive. Don't do it.
I was about. Yeah, no. I just wanted to see how much. 10,000.
No, yeah. I mean, you're going to spend $10,678 to buy that option. So you're going to spend everything you got. But you're going to make $200 against it daily. And so the way to look at that, it's 321 days, right? Divide that by 7 and then times 5, because you only get to trade this 5 days.
Yes.
All right, so that's 229 tradable days times $2. That's $458 versus spending 106.
Yeah.
So that's the amount of extrinsic can pile up against. So that leaves you a lot of room for losses in intrinsic. Keep in mind, if we in 1 year, in 321 days, are at the same level at 24,000 right now, or excuse me, 6,450. Okay, follow me here. If we end up there, the extrinsic on your long is only $30.
Oh.
Meaning it'll still be worth $78.
Oh, I need to answer this, man.
All right, man. Well, let's stop the stream, dude. We'll
Yeah.
pick up
All right.
later today. See you, man.
Ladies, man. All right.
Peace.